Hey everybody, so I got an electronic USB-C hub for testing. This is going to be the unboxing, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, it's going to be a quick unboxing video. This is the DesertWest USB-C hub. Again, the information on this one is models ARAZ21 Alpha Roger Alpha Zebra 21, size 268 by 56 by 17 millimeter, net weight is 128 grams. Output interface is Type C, interface Type C, RJ45, HDMI, SD, TF, USB 3.0 times 4. It is a 9-in-1 USB-C adapter. It's like a little leather pouch. It's like a little belt loop or something. Exploring Premium Digital Life, Amazon 5-star, just a dear customer thank you card. Just a little information card. This side's Chinese, this side's English. Fast charge USB-C. It's an SS port. SD, full-size SD card slot and a micro slot. It's a TF slot. The RJ45 DSL connector, the HDMI, and the other 3 super speed USB 3.0 slots, and then an extra USB-C. And then here is the USB-C at this end. It's gold plated. It's quite nice. We're going to give this a testing, and I'll get back with you after I get done testing it. The HDMI port is also gold plated. It's kind of hard to see, but it is gold plated. Yeah, I don't think I can get you the angle for that. It's too much of a shadow, but thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Appreciate your guys' time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.